people, I am Jordan. Today, I'm at a secret beach in Seychelles which people rarely visit. I'm gonna tell why you guys should visit this place on your Seychelles trip. Let's go! Anse capucin beach is located at the southeast coast of Mahe Island. The trail starts from here. It is advisable to take plenty of water and the person who knows the place, as the trail is not marked properly. There are some beautiful spots on the way to check out, such as this. The ocean currents are strong here, so it's unsafe to go for swimming. Once you make it to the top, there is a spectacular view to look for. You will find the climb totally worth it. Once you reach the place filled with coconut trees, the beach is just to the left-hand side. It takes about 45 minutes to hike into the forest of Anse FORBANS to reach this beach. By the end of the forest lies this untouched beauty of nature's perfection. And that's all for today. See you guys in another exciting video of Seychelles. Until then, this is Jordan signing off.